In this video, I am going to share a vitamin C face mask. This will prevent your skin from the effects of aging and this will neutralize the free radicals in the skin. So without further ado, let's get started. At first, you will need 6 to 7 vitamin C capsules. You have to extract the oils from it, or you can use vitamin C powder, or even you can use lemon instead of these. Then you will need 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of glycerin, and few drops of essential oil of your choice. Then mix them well and then apply this on your face and leave it for drying. After drying, wash it off with lukewarm water